According to the residents, this particular ZESCO transformer has been faulty for a long time now, and that several reports are before ZESCO.
1630-17. So abwera hapa, wazobwera hapa, nakapa hapa panali manzi. So abwera hapa, wafuta chalira chaga chipoa hapa. Parabwata mwanzo na wamponyerao. So abati watabe, watele mukakene basapa, ndiye kubwa kugira kuchipoa kustati balasingi wasako. So kitna maraiti. So ndiye kubatega hapa waponyera hapa. Mwana bwa fe.
Na bwera hapo manje tenga ma plastiki wenangu watenga mabomba kuwadonsa kuwapeleka po yuma po paja na peve nishi waoneka ti wakali kuvutika na kupema wenangu watenga soti wenangu wendogula myuki ndemwe tinambira kubamwesa afterwards na motoka ya bwera na wakazi wao ndemwe tina wanyamulira kwenda na ku hospital levi mwana wasi.
The residents managed to mobilize mostly women and jumped on a light truck to protest at ZESCO over their delay in responding to emergencies. The residents who had planned to carry the dead body in protest broke in songs of denouncement at ZESCO offices.
So the residents are actually here to protest, and the security officer is actually telling them to take their protest outside.
Wenangu wazesco waliko stivafuna vachoka bwera wabwera ntinangu transforma imeka 3 hours kwatumia phone dajiswa bwerako antumu ntamwalira yuma.
Shadrack Mwanza, an independent councillor for Kalikiliki Ward 35, arrived on the scene and had a meeting with the ZESCO manager. The councillor says ZESCO should improve their operations.
We've been reporting, cases to ZESCO. We have poles that are almost rotten. They're about to fall, but ZESCO has not responded yet.
The deceased has left a wife and 2 children behind, and the funeral has been moved to Makeni. Tito Kalama for S24.